everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am going to be doing an unboxing review of the new Apple Watch Series 3, and it has cellular. It's already open because I had Verizon help me put it together. The normal watch, I feel like it's easy enough to set up, and I'm sure this one is too, but since it has the cellular part to it, I would have rather them do it and know that it was done correctly. So, I don't know what is like caught in here, but it's making weird sounds when I open the box. So, let's dive right into this video. If you're like me, I have unlimited data on mine, and if you don't have unlimited data, this is good to know. There is no separate data plan. Since it hooks up to your phone, it shares what your phone has. So, I have unlimited, so my watch has unlimited. If you do have limited data, then, and I say data instead of data, don't come at me. I know people say it differently. So if that drives you crazy, I'm sorry. I know, but it's not gonna change. So I'm gonna keep saying data. We'll have like a conversation below. Tell me, do you say data or data? So leave 1 if you say data and leave a 2 if you say data, okay? So anyways, if you do have limited, just keep that in mind when you use this away from your phone, because this new watch can be used away from your phone. Do not go over your data plan. In this video, I'm going to show you everything that comes in the box, and then we are going to go over the watch, and then I will show you some of the features of the watch, and then we will test out it working without my phone. And in order to do that, I'm just going to turn my phone completely off. I'm also going to show you some accessories that I went ahead and picked up from Amazon. Another little helpful tip, Amazon bands are all cheaper than Apple bands. Apple wants $50 for a band, which is ridiculous because you already paid $400 for the watch. I mean, really. I am going to go ahead and cut my chit chat and show you the Apple Watch. So here is the box. It is just this really pretty watch, Series 3. The Series 3 is in red, just like, I'm gonna guess they did that because it's a cellular and the red button, which it shows you a picture right here. I got the gold with the pink sand, and it is the 38mm case, and it has the red dot, of course. So you have this little envelope of goodies, and inside you have just a little watch paper with just this little pamphlet, and it shows you how to set up, and it's like a little welcome and what your buttons do. So it's just a user guide, and it talks about the battery and energy and all of that of your watch, and then it comes with this extra band, and then we have the beautiful Apple Watch. And when you take this out, it has these little tabs to help you take it out. There is the spot for the charger, but this is just the little charging cube that you get with every phone and Apple product, so that part isn't really that important because we see that every time we get an Apple thing. I'm going to go ahead and take it out, and it's already on, of course. It's already, so it's really cool. It knows when it left your wrist, so it's locked right now. And here's the pretty band, and it's the sports band. And then here is the watch. Very cute, very cute. And it has this little rose gold button on it. I broke a nail, so I'm sorry if that bugs you because it bugged me and it hurt really bad when I did it. So from here, I'm going to go ahead and switch over to my vlogging camera so that I can show you up close and personal with it, and then we can do those tests because it's a lot easier to carry that around than my big bulky camera. I'm going to go ahead and put my watch on. So I wear it on my left because I'm right-handed, and I wear it with the button facing out. And so for this, you just take this part here with the little buckle or the little button, and I always take it to the third dot, or the third little spot, and then you slide it under here, and it goes on perfect. So let's go ahead and cut into that. I went ahead and put it on this part of my wrist just so that it's easier to show you all, and it's really cool because when you turn your wrist, it shows you the time, and right there, that little blue lock means that it's locked. Now this is not my normal passcode. I just changed it so that I could show you guys how it's like to unlock. So you just type in 1, 2, there you go. And so it takes you back to the screen. The red dot means that I have cell connection right now and service, and if that's a red X, that means I'm not connected to service. I don't have any service right now, but right now I do. So I'm going to go ahead and press the crown as they call it, and it shows you all of the watch apps. You can use the crown to zoom out or zoom in on whatever app you want. Right now it's on that. So if I want to go ahead and zoom in on messages, I can touch this and I can zoom in on my messages. Just do that in like family and express sent me stuff. If you want to delete it, swipe to the left and press trash, and then it'll ask you again, trash, and then you can press this side button is to go home back to your apps, and this is to exit your apps out. And it's still the power button, so if you want to turn your watch completely off, you can hold this down and it will. But if you want to go back to apps, you press this. If you want to put your watch in sleep mode, you press that. Here are some of the apps that there are. There's like Breathe right here, which is just like a meditation one. Here's this. So this is the rings. This shows all of my physical activity for the day. If you scroll down using this crown, you just turn it. It shows you that I've been standing for 2 of my 12 hours, so 16% done with that ring. Exercise 2 for 30 minutes. Move 6%, so I burned 17 of the 270 that I want to burn in a day. There's the charts for it, and then it shows I took 680 steps today, and my total distance is 0.31 miles, and my flights climbed are 0. And then I will press this again, and it can do heart monitoring. It can tell you what your beats per minute are. So the last one was 1 minute ago at 93 beats per minute, so we'll see. 104 beats per minute. When you press this and it takes you back to the home menu, you can scroll over and change your face that way. And so if you touch them, they do funny stuff, and you can just change the characters and they'll run around on your watch throughout the day. And then you can do like this little kaleidoscope, which is really cool, and play with the crown and it plays with it. And then there's Minnie.
It's 2:19. Good afternoon.
And she talks to you. You can do Mickey.
It's 2:19. Good afternoon.
And he talks to you. And then there's Toy Story again. And I have a Planet one on here somewhere. I'm not quite sure where that one is. So yeah, you can just change your watch face by swiping or by going into the actual app. Go ahead and go into the actual app, where here it shows you a lot of different stuff. So we'll go ahead and do this. Here it shows you like my faces that I have set up, and you can go ahead and do different ones. You can change your app layout if you want it to, but I'm pretty okay with how my apps are. I've never been one to really change around apps, even on my phone. I just tend to keep them where Apple left them. Here's like your activities and Breathe and stuff. You can go ahead. This is my stand reminders, daily coaching. It just kind of gives me motivation to get my butt out of bed, because that's the hardest part of my day. There's some apps that I could put on there that I'm not going to. And then here's like Uber, egg. I put that on there because you actually get to like take care of this little baby egg. It's so cute, and I haven't checked on it since like 2 last night, so I probably should check on it. And this shows you more faces that you can add to it. And you can customize them really well, so you can pick colors and stuff like that, which is really nice. And then you can actually pick what it displays on there as well, which is really cool. You can go into the little app store for it, which shows you all the different apps that you can buy for your watch, which buy or download, which, I mean, there's not really that many, and all the exercise ones you have to pay anyways. So, and then you have to pay more to get the content. So there's all these trending things, so I guess you can download some watch faces. That's cute. So now I'm going to go ahead and turn my phone off, and we will test this without my phone. So I went ahead and did this so that you could see what it looked like when no cell service was on there, and it is showing the red X, which means that it does not have service right now. So here it is getting messages from my parents' group chat that I have with them. And yeah, there's a cat purring right beside me, so if you hear anything, it's this little cutie pie. Yeah, are you purring? There we go. So that's my parents. Hello!
Mommy's calling.
That is the up close personal view of the watch and some of the cool things that the watch can do. I'm not trying to brag at all. I'm just showing you guys what I got and doing a little review on it and showing you how it works and what I love about it. And I really enjoy watching these videos, so I'm sure that other people out there that really enjoy watching these videos. I'm going to also go on into accessories, and I'm going to show you what I picked up from Amazon. First thing I got, which I've already applied onto it because this is my baby and I'm not letting anything hurt it. I put a screen protector on, and I really failed at opening the box. As you can see, I ripped the box to shreds. It is an Armor Suit screen protector. It is so incredibly cute. I love it so much. You just slide your charger through the back, and it has this little, I'll show you an up close of this with the charger in it. It has this little spot for your charger to fit into. You see that little hole there. It slides right into that, and it holds your watch and charges it for you, because I didn't want mine falling off the nightstand, sliding off the nightstand, anything like that. So it's perfect. I love this so much. This is seriously the best thing ever. And so the final thing I want to show you is it on the charging dock that I got for it, or the little charging stand. And here it is in its night mode. And there is the little red dot that I actually don't even notice anymore. So cute. It looks like this little old Mac computer from the 80s, so the Macintosh. And it has the cute little screen because it's a nightstand mode when it's on the charger and on its side. You have to put it with this side up, or else it won't do that screen. It'll just do the normal screen. So I learned that when I first put it in here. And as I said, the charger just goes right through there, and it has this little spot so it sits flat. And when, yeah, see, it'll like turn normal. If you put it the other way, it'll be like that instead of this stand way. I cannot get it out. And then there is the charger. It just sits perfectly flat in there. I'm going to go ahead and place it back in there because I've been using it all day. So as for like wear and comfort, I truly don't even realize it's on my wrist. Like, going through every day, I've had it for a day and a half, and going through just everyday stuff, I don't even realize I'm wearing it still, which is a main reason I put that screen protector on, because let's be honest, I bang my arms against a lot of stuff and I don't even realize that I'm doing it. So I really like it. It's comfortable, it's lightweight, so if it feels weird at first, just give it a little bit of time, and before you know it, you don't even know you have it on. I really hope you all enjoyed this video. Make sure to leave a comment down below with any questions you have or any future videos you want to see from me. And make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you next video. Bye!